Today we are going to take a look at these Barbie fashion set. This set comes with 9 pieces of fabric clothing, including the skirt she's wearing, 4 pairs of shoes, and also 6 pieces of accessories. And it also comes with a doll that I am not really a huge fan of. So this is how she looks like. She looks fine, but I'm not really a huge fan of the painted on top. But it's okay, doesn't matter. And my favorite outfit will be this. This is the cutest outfit. I love the color, it looks really fun. I wanted to see if this outfit fit this curvy Barbie.
Much later.
This is everything that comes in this set. So it comes with this outfit, this sheer top with a animal print skirt, a banana print long pant, 2 floral dress, 1 purple skirt, and some random bits of accessories. And we are going to test out to see if it fits our curvy Barbie. This is the first outfit, and she actually fit this outfit, but the cutting of this shirt is a little bit weird. The neckline, especially this neckline, is very weird, but it fits. And the pant also fit, but it's really hard to put it on. It's very tight. It's really hard to put it on. These shoes doesn't really work, so it's okay. And here's the first outfit. This is the second outfit. She is wearing an orange floral dress. It is pretty easy to put on, but it's a little bit tight. You can see it's a little bit hard to velcro at the back, but it works. I'm not giving her any shoes because none of the shoes that come in this set work on curvy Barbie. Here comes the third outfit. She is wearing the dark blue floral bohemian looking dress, and this dress is very easy to put on and it fits her very well. It fits her really well. Unfortunately, these 3 pieces doesn't fit curvy Barbie, and I thought these 2 are going to work because they come with this elastic waistband, but no, it doesn't work. It doesn't fit. It's stuck on her thigh, and I can't even pull it up. So these 3 pieces doesn't work. So these are the clothing that fits on curvy Barbie, and these are the ones that doesn't, and none of the shoes fit, unfortunately. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.